Have you ever wondered what the difference is between Airwallex and Stripe? On the surface, they might look like they do the exact same thing: help businesses get paid. You see their names everywhere, from small startups to massive global enterprises. But dig a little deeper, and you'll find that they're not just two sides of the same coin. They're actually built for very different purposes and serve very different business needs. So, let's break it down. Think of Stripe as the all-star developer's tool. It's the platform that was built by engineers, for engineers. Its real strength lies in its APIs, application programming interfaces. If you're a business with a team of developers, you can use Stripe to create a fully customized, highly flexible payment system. This is why you see it used by tech-first companies building complex platforms, subscription services, and on-demand marketplaces. Stripe's ecosystem is vast, offering everything from subscription management with Stripe Billing, to fraud detection with Stripe Radar, to business formation with Stripe Atlas. It's a complete toolkit for building a modern internet business from the ground up, with a major focus on the checkout experience. Now, let's turn to Airwallex. If Stripe is the developer's toolkit, Airwallex is the financial operations hub for global businesses. While it also offers payment processing, its core mission is to simplify cross-border commerce and global finance. Imagine you're a business based in London selling products to customers in Australia, receiving payments in Australian dollars, and paying suppliers in China in renminbi. Airwallex is built to handle this exact scenario. It provides multi-currency business accounts, allowing you to hold and manage money in over 11 currencies, avoiding the costly and frustrating double conversions that often come with traditional banks or other payment processors. This is where the distinction becomes crucial. For a local business or a tech startup focused on a single market, Stripe's comprehensive payment suite and robust developer tools are often the perfect fit. Its straightforward pricing and easy integration get you up and running quickly. But for an e-commerce brand, a global marketplace, or a tech company with a widespread international presence, Airwallex's focus on treasury, foreign exchange, and multi-currency accounts can lead to significant cost savings and operational efficiency. Their foreign exchange fees are often cited as a key advantage, saving businesses a substantial amount on international transactions. In short, while both can process payments, they're playing different games. Stripe is the master of the online checkout, creating a seamless, developer-friendly experience for accepting payments anywhere on the internet. Airwallex is the architect of global financial infrastructure, helping businesses operate seamlessly across borders by providing a single platform for payments, treasury, and expense management. So, when you're choosing, the question isn't which is better, but which is better for you. Are you building a new online platform and need a flexible, powerful checkout system? Stripe is probably your best bet. Are you a growing business that needs to manage a complex web of international payments, suppliers, and currencies? Airwallex will likely be the more powerful financial partner. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.